Welcome to my channel one more time. Marina is here in your luxury vault. I welcome you today. I'm very excited because finally I finally make it. I was able to have the two models that I need to make my video, as I was always, I was able to find either the small or either the large. So Chanel lovers, stay here, enjoy with my video. What we have: grand shopping tote, size comparison, classic and extra large or maxi. Stay here with me. I will avoid as much I can to stay in the camera. I wanted you to just see the bag, the one next to the other one, and just take some measurements. Sometimes I will be again in front of the camera so I can just show you the inside and the interior of the bags, as well what the bag can accommodate inside. So enjoy. Subscribe to my channel if you like to stay with me. Stay tuned, support me. I have a lot of ideas, I have a lot of videos to share with you, I have a lot of bags to show you. I am a big collector, all the brands, and slowly we can build together one nice bag addict community. So coming back to you in a 3. So here I have next to each other for the size comparison and for you to be able to understand and compare and feel the two sizes, the grand shopping tote in black, which is the classic size, and then my super favorite grand shopping or GST maxi or XL in the red color, which is really took time for me to find it, especially in the color that I was looking for, this red lipstick. It's very hard to find the maxi size nowadays. There are discontinued models, but very classic for Chanel. Every Chanel addict, every Chanel lover should have one GST, guys. So we will compare here and review the two sizes so you can understand and relate to which size is perfect for you. So here as well I have placed the classic GST in front of the maxi GST so you can understand and feel the difference comparing with the one and the other. And you will see that the maxi is way longer, and as well there is more height in the bag. Very good for you that you want to carry a bag at work or in your travel, and you want to have with you a lot of documents, maybe your big laptop, and a lot of essentials. Okay, so here we are. I'm super excited and very happy as well because I was looking for a long time for this model, for this maxi in red lipstick color and silver hardware. Oh my god, maxi is already very hard to find model and in good condition, so I'm absolutely satisfied with the purchase of the maxi GST. And now you can see, comparing with the black classic size, what can be the difference. I will come again in front of my camera because I want you to realize the difference of the size while looking from far. As well, I will just try to help you to understand the difference in the size when I put the one in front of the other, so you can see how longer is the red one, that is the maxi size or XL, some people they know it as XL, comparing with the classic size. You will see there is more length, as well there is more height in the bag. Which one is good for you? So let's check both of them and let's take the measurements of each and every bag, so you can finally at the end of this video decide which bag is for you. So starting with the black Classic GST, I will check in inches, and I will just take it from down better, which is approx 14 inches the length. Yes, and on the top of the bag it's almost 13. The height of the bag is 9.5 inches. What it can accommodate inside, I could say almost everything. So by the way, I always used to stuff my GST with some bubble wrap or some paper, and then as well I will protect with the dust bag, and I will always store my bag with the handles inside, so I will not cause any kind of signs in the leather from the chain, from the hardware. And then I will store my bag in the dust bag, and I will keep here like this. Always keep storing your GST any size lying down and not like that. By this way you are increasing the creases in the corners and the misshaping of the bag. So back to my subject, what we can accommodate in this bag, almost everything. We can carry it at work. I'm carrying it at work. This is really very strong bag. Of course, this is why we are paying so much money. This is very spacious and very good if you want to separate your items, because there is a big pocket compartment, so you can organize very well your items, and as well the key holder, magic strap if you want to attach your keys, and something here, I don't know what exactly is that. I have never attached something, but I guess it's for the key. And in the back side there is a pocket. So this is as per the GST in classic standard size, because there is as well the smaller one, the PST, which I don't have it, and I will do another video in case I will have it, but I don't think, because I don't like the small size. Some ladies, they love it so much, they feel it's more comfortable for everyday use. Here we have backside a big pocket. You can slip inside your mobile, whatever you use and you don't want to open all the time the bag. And let's see how the bag looks while wearing. So this is the GST. Not that big, not that small, perfect for daily use. And I'm very happy that I got this lady. So let's go to my new lab that I was searching so long for this color and this combination, but I wanted it to be in the large size, in the maxi size. So here, yes, congratulations to me, finally I am here, and we will check the dimensions of the bag. So here we are in, I'll take it from down again better, in almost 17 inches. When I say something in my bag, I'm just always doing it like that. So we are almost 17 inches here, the length, and it's 10.5 or 10 and 25 the height of the bag, with 5.5 inches the width on bottom, and almost 4 here because it's shrinking, so it's 4 inches. This bag is for you that you really love the big totes, you like to travel, or you like to work, and for sure, because this beauty, let me see, I guess that we can use it for the big laptop. I will have it here. And yes, my big laptop can come inside and fit perfectly fine. So for you that you need the bag for work, it's perfect for your meetings, to impress your employees and employers. Folders, big size, A4, books or big size items. And of course, I will not even go in the process of thinking what else I can put here inside. This is really spacious. You can really put a lot of items. Again, there is this key holder thing that you can attach your keys. There is a big zipper pocket, and my card. I always used to keep my cards of my Chanel bags in the back pocket with the zipper, so I'm sure that I will not lose it. Only but this way I will not lose it, or else if I will change the location and I will keep it somewhere else, for sure I will lose it. In the middle, big zipper pocket where you can keep a lot of items that you don't want to lose it, and you want just to close the zipper and keep the items inside, something that you want to keep it secret. And then from the back side, 2 more pockets for your cell phone and for other items. From the bottom, this one, see, this model as bigger one, she have metal fits, and I am loving this one because it's protecting the bag on the bottom when we need to keep it down, comparing with the classic size that it doesn't have metal fits. So whenever you're placing it down, it just direct contact with the leather. This is one more reason why I love this bag. And let's see how it looks like with body comparison. I am 5'3", I'm not that tall, I'm not that short, so this is how the bag looks for me. I don't know if I'm very near to the camera. And I will show you the back like that. I am very happy with this size. It took me a long time to find this size in so good condition. Little bit minor signs of use because of course it's pre-loved. Mostly we can find the GST in series from 12 to 19, I think, as it's discontinued. And big huge pocket backside. That while using, you can slip a lot of items that you're using mostly and you don't want to ruin your bag. Also nice for a handbag. Okay, so I think that I have covered the size comparison and the review of the bag. If you want my opinion, it's one very classic must-have Chanel bag for the Chanel lovers. It's something very similar to those LV lovers that they love to have the Neverfull. So we have something like a Neverfull MM and a Neverfull GM. Of course, absolutely different design, but just for the size comparison again. Something but very sturdy, more sturdy. And this model, it comes only in caviar leather. It doesn't come in lambskin or any other leather. So for me, my advice, now that I have both of the sizes, I will tell you, go for both. They're really very practical. It's a really very practical bag. You can use it daily. Maybe you can use it daily or at work, with a car, in the weekend, in the airplane. Just impress with simplicity. I love both of them. I hope that you liked that video. It was necessary for me, and I was waiting for long to get in my hands in the maxi, so I can do the video. Hope I cover all your questions. If you have any question, just let me know down in the comments so I can answer to you. And if you like the video, just subscribe, like my video, and be with me weekly so we will see every time in your items. Okie dokie. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and have a good week. Take care. Bye.